Dual fuel generators are basically electrical generators that can use two different fuels for generating electricity. Generally, dual fuel generators use gasoline or propane as primary fuels to generate power. Gas is pretty easy to obtain as it is easily available almost everywhere. But it has some disadvantages such as high noise and more exhaust fumes. Propane, on the other hand, is much cleaner and quieter in terms of power generation. There are many products available to choose from best dual fuel generator, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did quality research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dual fuel generator from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Westinghouse Dual Fuel Generator. Westinghouse is a well-known brand of power generators. They also make a dual fuel power generator that we have included below. The first product in our list is a heavy-duty dual fuel power generator from Westinghouse. This generator is powered by a 457cc 4-stroke engine. It is the most powerful generator from our list as it is capable of providing 9,500 W of running power and 12,500 W of peak output when run on gasoline. It also has a very good output on propane, with 8,500 W of running power and 11,200 W of peak power. You can put up to 6.6 gallons of fuel at once, which will give you about 12 hours of continuous run time without needing a refill. This makes it perfect for any outdoor party at night or camping in RVs. It features various outlet ports, including 2 GFCI 120V 5 to 20R outlets, 1 transfer switch ready 120V 240V 14 layer 30R outlet, 1 RV ready 120V 240V 14 to 50A outlet, and a 12V battery charging port. There is 3-year manufacturer's warranty on Westinghouse Pros. Power capacity is highest in comparison. Fuel capacity is pretty high. All outlets have rubber caps. Cons. Number 2. Duramax Dual Fuel Generator. Duramax is another popular brand that makes mini power generators. They also have a dual fuel generator in their lineup. The second product in our list is a heavy-duty dual fuel generator from Duramax. This generator is powered by a 458cc OHV 4-stroke Duramax engine that can use either gasoline or propane as the fuel. You will be getting almost similar power output. When used with gasoline, this generator is capable of providing 9,500 W of running power and 12,000 W of surge power. When used with propane, the numbers fall a little bit with 9,025 W of running power and 1,140 W of surge power. The fuel tank capacity on Duramax XP 12000DH is 8.3 gallons, which is more than enough for a long and uninterrupted performance. You can utilize this high power output via several different ports, such as one 120V 240V 50A heavy-duty outlet, one 120V 240V 38 twist lock outlet, one 120V 38 twist lock outlet, and 2 regular 120V 20A household outlets. Pros: power capacity is pretty good. Fuel capacity is better than other options. Cons: outlets do not have any cover. Number 3. Champion Power Equipment Dual Fuel Generator. Next up, we have a dual fuel generator from Champion Power Equipment. It is a very reliable brand for power generators and equipment. The third product in our list is a highly reliable dual fuel power generator from Champion Power Equipment. It is powered by a 4-stroke 224cc engine which has a decent fuel efficiency. There is a push-button electric start for convenient usage. It is capable of providing 3,800 W of running power and 4,750 W of peak power when run on gas. You can also run it using propane, in which case, it provides 3,420 W of running power and 4,275 W of peak power. With a complete fill, you can obtain up to 9 hours runtime on gasoline and 10.5 hours of runtime on propane. Fuel tank capacity on this Champion dual fuel power generator is 3.4 gallons, that is good enough for general. Number 4. WEN Dual Fuel Generator. You must have heard about WEN if you have previously looked for power tools or machinery. They also make a dual fuel generator, as mentioned below. Here is another heavy-duty dual fuel power generator from WEN. It is powered by a 4-stroke 457cc OHV engine, which is a turnkey start. You can get up to 8,300 W of running power and a maximum of 11,000 W output on gasoline. All this power is fueled from a 6.6-gallon gasoline tank that will allow you to have around 8.5 hours of non-stop usage. On the other hand, it is capable of providing 7,500 W of running power and has 9,500 W of surge power when used with propane. If you take a look at the front, you will see that it has four 120V28 GFCI outlets, one 120V38 twist-lock 5 Lira 30R outlet, one 120V 240V50 aiming a 14 Lira 50R outlet, and one 12V DC outlet. You will be getting 2 years of warranty with this dual-fuel generator. Number 5. Durostar dual-fuel generator. Next on our list is Durostar's dual-fuel generator. Durostar specializes in developing dual-fuel generators and gas-powered generators to meet the emergency power demands of consumers. Durostar's dual-fuel generator runs on a 439cc OHV engine that provides plenty of power operating multiple devices, including heavy-duty appliances and power tools. The starting power capacity of the generator is 10,000 W, while the running power is 8,000 watts. As the name has it, the generator works on dual fuel and has a fuel capacity of 8.3 gallons. You can use either propane or gasoline to power this generator. The dual-fuel generator features an MX2 technology allowing you to optimize the power based on your needs. You can operate the generator at both 120V and 240V simultaneously, or switch to just 120V for maximum power deliverance. The power panel has multiple. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.